Have you ever stopped to think why more people are ditching store-bought coffee and investing in coffee machines for home? It's not just convenience. It's about saving money, creating better flavor, and turning your kitchen into your personal cafe. And today, I'm going to share the top 5 coffee makers for home in 2026 that are absolutely worth your attention. I'm SmartBuy, and I've been testing all kinds of coffee machines so you don't have to. In this video, we're starting from number 5 and building up to the number 1 ultimate best pick. All the links to prices and full details are in the description below, so you can check them anytime. Let's get into it. At number 5, we have the Braun Multiserve Plus, a machine designed for people who want a straightforward coffee experience without compromising on quality. This drip coffee maker gives you multiple brew sizes, so you can make a quick single cup before work or a full carafe when you have guests over. Its programmable features allow you to set the brew time in advance, which means you can wake up to freshly brewed coffee every morning. The machine maintains consistent brewing temperatures, which helps extract better flavor from your coffee grounds. It's also easy to clean and simple to operate, making it a great everyday coffee maker. For the price, it delivers excellent reliability and performance. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja Dual Brew Pro Specialty Coffee System, a machine built for versatility. What really makes this one stand out is that it works with both ground coffee and coffee pods, giving you the freedom to choose your preferred brewing method. Whether you want a quick single cup before heading out or a full carafe for the whole family, this system can handle it. It also offers multiple brew styles, including classic, rich, and even iced coffee, so you can switch things up depending on your mood. The controls are simple and intuitive, and the design fits nicely into most kitchens. This is an excellent choice for households where everyone has different coffee preferences. At number 3, we have the Fellow Aiden Precision Coffee Maker, a machine that combines modern design with advanced brewing control. This isn't just a coffee maker, it's built for people who enjoy fine-tuning their coffee experience. You can adjust temperature, brew strength, and timing to match your taste exactly. This level of customization helps you get the most flavor out of your coffee beans. It also features a sleek, minimalist design that looks more like a premium kitchen accessory than a traditional coffee machine. If you enjoy experimenting with different beans and brewing styles, this machine gives you the control you need to craft the perfect cup. Now at number 2 is the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, a favorite among home baristas. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in grinder, which lets you grind fresh coffee beans right before brewing. This helps preserve flavor and aroma, giving you cafe-quality espresso at home. The machine also gives you manual control over tamping and extraction, so you can customize every shot exactly how you like it. It includes a steam wand that allows you to froth milk for lattes and cappuccinos, creating smooth, creamy foam. It may take a little practice to master, but once you get used to it, the results are truly impressive. And finally, at number 1, we have the Technivorm Mocha Master KBGT, our top pick for the best coffee maker for home in 2026. This machine is built for people who truly care about coffee quality. It's handmade using premium components and designed to deliver precise brewing temperatures for perfect extraction. The Mocha Master can brew a full pot in about 4 to 6 minutes, producing rich, aromatic coffee that rivals what you'd get at a cafe. Its simple, durable design focuses on performance and longevity, and many users keep these machines for years without issues. If you want a reliable, high-quality drip coffee maker that delivers consistently great results, this is the one to beat. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best coffee makers for home in 2026. Whether you want something versatile, highly customizable, or simple and reliable, there's a perfect machine out there for your needs. Remember, all the links, latest prices, and full specifications are in the description below, so make sure to check them out before you buy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which coffee maker you'd choose for your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.